This video describes how to use the Prodrive app to start a chat with the service desk team. You can open the Prodrive app from the Start menu by typing the word Pro and selecting the application, or you can find the app in your system tray by right-clicking on the icon and selecting Open. When you open, you will see a section to open a ticket or start a chat or see your existing tickets. Click Start Chat. You'll be prompted to describe the issue you are facing. For example, I cannot open my emails. Once you select Start a new chat, an will be notified and they will join the chat on their end. You will be notified that the engineer in question has joined the chat and they will speak to you via the chat.